When air is replaced by a dielectric medium of constant K, the maximum force of attraction between two charges separated by a distance. ठीक है, तो पहले कितना था फोर्स? पहले था k q स्क्वायर बाय डी स्क्वायर. ओके, अभी डाइलेक्ट्रिक डाल दिया तो क्या हो जाएगा? F हो जाएगा लाइक दिस इज 1/4 पाई एप्सिलॉन नॉट इनटू एप्सिलॉन r इनटू q स्क्वायर बाय डी स्क्वायर. तो सिंपल है, whenever dielectric जब भी हम लोग यूज करते हैं, whenever the dielectric is used, anywhere where epsilon naught was there, now you replace it by epsilon naught into epsilon r. This is the permittivity of the medium. This is the permittivity of vacuum or air. Okay, so whenever dielectric is there, do this. So we also have done this only. So now this was F, now make it as F dash. Okay, so we can see F dash is equal to F divided by epsilon r, which is K. F by K. So therefore it decreases by K times. So that's C option.